I'm Amanda Gumbert. I'm an extension specialist for water quality in the UK College of Agriculture, Food and Environment. Some of my work recently has been focused on backyard streams, and what we see here is what we might consider an urban stream or a backyard stream. Typically in urban areas we mow these areas, we manicure them because sometimes the wild and woolly look is not really what people are tolerant of when we think about streams. But streamside vegetation, like what we see here, is really helpful to filter water as it runs off the landscape. Where we're located is Vaughn's branch of the Wolf Run watershed, and here on the University of Kentucky campus. And it's really important because we have lots of impervious surfaces. That means pavement, roads, buildings, those kind of things that when it rains, those surfaces just shed water, and so all of that water runs off and then eventually makes it into a stream. And so this area has been restored to somewhat native conditions, as much as we can do in an urban system. It's just nice to see vegetation growing and the functions that these provide. The roots will go down deep, they'll hold soil in place, they'll take up pollutants out of the water, they will provide habitat for wildlife. And where we are here on campus is in, like I said, part of the Wolf Run watershed, and it's what we consider a headwater portion of the watershed. And so literally on the ground, this watershed does start with us. It starts here on the University of Kentucky campus, and the work that we do in the UK College of Agriculture is applied right on our own property, in our own backyard. So it truly does start with us.